Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today I am going to show you how to do chicken rasam. We are entering to winter, so this type of food will keep your body warm and healthy. Let me show you how to do it. First, I am putting in all the spices like coriander seeds, cumin, fennel, bay leaf, cinnamon, black pepper, and with one dry chili. I am going to toast them until the aroma come out. I am adding in little curry leaf. Now I will grind them to a powder. After I grind the powder, I am adding in half tomato and grind again. Now I am adding in gingerly oil, followed by one onion, salt, I am adding in bay leaf, cumin, anise, cardamom, cinnamon, and saute them until the onions turn brown. I am putting in curry leaves. 1 piece of chili is optional. Now I am adding in one whole garlic which I found roughly with the shallots. Adding in the chicken with the ginger garlic, turmeric. Mix them well. Now I am adding here some coriander stalk. I am squeezing in some tomato in. I leave it to cook for a while and I will check on and off. Now the chicken is cooked like 80%. Adding in the masala which I ground earlier. I am adding here like 1 liter of water. Give it a good stir. I am just putting some water in masala container and I am pouring it in. Putting in salt. I am letting it cook in a low flame. Now the chicken rasam already boiled. I am going to add in some lemon juice, followed by some coriander leaf, and it's ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.